Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative with our beautiful Mother Nature Creative Kit Club box. We have made up more boxes this month, so hopefully no one will miss out. So let's have a look what we've got. So we've got the cute little creative cuts. We have got a die. So this die says blessed. It's a little word and a big word that's included in the kit, and I think the value of this die is around $18, $19. So huge value in this kit this month. There is a bit of an if or situation again this month because of COVID. We haven't been able to get all of our stock in, so you are gonna have some of these gorgeous little cotton candy sequins, or you will get the crystalline sequins. Either or. You are either going to have the sunshine pearls, or you are going to have the sunshine rhinestones. So you'll either get one of those in your kit. There is a cute little stencil here, and there is also another design. Sorry, there's two different designs that you will possibly get in your kit with the stencil. There is this sweet little mermaid stamp. I'm saying, yeah, it's a mermaid stamp. It's very cute. Texture stamp. We're going to put that in your kit as well. We have got this very cool laser cut, which is all these leaves, which is great just to have in your stash. We've got some cute little flowers. We finally got some flowers. We've only been ordered these like 6 months ago, and they finally arrived. Yay! We've got some very cool coloured doilies, which match this collection beautifully. A sheet of cork. And the sweetest little buttons you ever did see. So some cute little buttons. This is our watercolour sheet this month. Some gorgeous flowers on there on the watercolour sheet, and that is obviously printed on our watercolour paper, but in a 250 GSM. And this is our cut apart sheet. Now we have something very cool for our add-on die with this cut apart sheet, which we'll show you just at the end of this video. Very cool. Magazine, of course, with all of your step-by-step instructions in here for all your layouts. A sheet of vellum. And 2 sheets of our 360 GSM watercolour cardstock, which you can use your Unicolor markers on, of course. And last but not least, the beautiful collection pack, which has got 16 sheets of paper in there, and the value on that is $28. So this is a very good value kit at just $49.95. Let's take a look at some of the gorgeous projects the girls have done. So this here is in the creative cuts, so you can create that gorgeous little title. So that one is Kylie. This one is one of mine, and this again is that watercolor cut apart sheet. There is one of those in the box. Really sweet, and that's that blessed die. That's the small version of the blessed die. Cian has done this very cool background. Really love this. These are the kids that have been out camping. This one is another one of mine, just using the cut apart sheets and the creative cuts. It is fun, it is bright, it is modern, I love it. Again, another one of mine, just lots of layering up of all the gorgeous flowers. Another one of Cian's. How bright and beautiful is this? And this is Mother Nature, and there is some beautiful sayings in here to scrap your mum. So yeah, I did my mum up there, and I think this one is Cian and Liddell's mum. Another little cute one by Cian. Gorgeous. And this one here, how beautiful is her picture? That I think that's a photograph of a painting she did. Very nice, again with the flowers. Hetty has also joined us again this month along with Kylie, and you can see she's also used that gorgeous little creative cuts. I really love that, super fun. And this monochromatic, God, I can't even speak today, one with the beautiful pops of yellow. So beautiful. Another one by Hetty, and she's coloured in the beautiful flowers there. And one more by Kylie, and again this is the big version of that die, and there are plenty more that will be posted on the blog throughout the month. Let's look at some of the cards. We have some gorgeous cards. We had Debbie join us this month, and she's got some cards in the magazine as well. Super cute cards, cute little fluff ball here, and beautiful colouring. Nairi also made some gorgeous cards for us, and she's coloured in. Shana, of course, as always, beautiful. And then I know Nairi coloured in. This is because there is also some of these on some of the individual papers, and Nairi's coloured them our papers in with Copics, and they're just beautiful. She's done such a good job. She made these cute little tags as a bonus. This is a little card that I made. I actually made a card. So this little card is just one of those ones that sits up. It's got like that little cutty-outy bit I don't know what it's called, but a cute little card. And then Nairi has made this sweet little card. Okay, so that's everything that's in the kit. All the layouts and projects you can make. Just want to show you what I was talking about, add-on die. So this is the add-on die, and it's called Fussy Cut Elements 1. We've been working on this for months, and they're finally here. We can finally sell them to you. How they work, let me very quickly show you. So this is the cut apart sheet, and you'll note that throughout this whole year, and even some of last year's, I think that's how long we've been working on them, these match all the elements on our cut apart sheets and some of the elements on our papers. So once you've got this die set, you are set. So there is a number of different ones on here for different shapes. So not all the ones are on this one, but I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. So this is next month's die, and for example this one for next month, you'll be able to go back and use it on this month. So that sits over there like that, and we'll cut those cute little tags out for you. And then there's a third one coming in August. So there's 3 of them in total. And again, this one here, next month you'll be able to go back and use that to cut out the tickets. So because we didn't know when we were getting these, we didn't know which one to do. You will note that this here is not the right size for that. The one that's the right size for that is coming later on, okay? But these little flag ones, so this little flag one in this month, we'll be able to cut out that one there. So they're very cool. So there's 3 of them, 1 a month for the next 3 months, and you'll be able to use all of your cut apart sheets from this year with some of these elements and going back even some of last year's. So of course you can add on extra things to your kit besides the die each month. There is another stamp releasing this month, and some of the girls have used this on their blog projects. It's called Splatter. You can add on extra paper packs, extra creative cuts, extra laser cuts. So heaps of products available. Your local scrapbooking store will have the paper packs, individual papers and dies and everything in stock as well. So go support them where you can, because times are tough right now. Thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you enjoy this beautiful collection. Till next time, bye.